everybody. It is your favorite realtor, Lindsay Evans, here with Lindsay's Corner. I am the owner and managing broker of Liberty Point Realty. We are licensed in Illinois and Indiana. If you are looking to purchase or sell a home, please give us a call, 708-590-6015. Our website is www.lpr.homes. Okay, so today I want to talk about renovation loans. Now, the disclaimer is I am not a lender. I do not handle mortgages. I do not write them. I do not advise people on them, but I have to know something about them to better service my clients. So I just want you to know what could be available to you, but I still say refer to your lender or your mortgage broker for all the information that you need. So there is something called a renovation loan. A lot of times people find a house that is like the perfect location, it's the perfect size, but it needs some updating. There is an opportunity for you to get money to purchase the home and to update it. And it's really cool because it's like you got a brand new house, but it's to your specific liking. And you don't have to be a millionaire or billionaire to get this done. So they have renovation loans for conventional mortgages, and they also have them for FHA mortgages, which they call a 203K loan. So it's cool because they'll lend you the up to a certain amount of whatever the new value of the home will be after repairs. So you could purchase the home for $100,000, put 50 in it, but once it's all done, it's worth 230. That's amazing. So don't sleep on the fixer-uppers, okay? If you have the patience to deal with renovations, put your own stamp on it, don't sleep on those. Talk to your lender about the option of getting a renovation loan, especially now with the inventory being so low. This will be a great way for you to still reach your home ownership goal in the middle of this climate. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any other topics that you want to discuss, go ahead and drop them in the comments section. I'd love to discuss them with you. Other than that, talk to you later.